Hello, welcome to my channel where I share investment and personal finance knowledge. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and press the notification bell so you won't miss any content. If you're here, you probably know what Bitcoin is. If you don't, then you shouldn't be here. Just kidding. In this video, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin as a medium of exchange, a store of value, and if it's a good investment. So stick around until the end and I'll share with you how you can make money from Bitcoin safely. All right, some definitions. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, and started in 2009 when its implementation was released as open source software. Bitcoin uses the secure decentralized blockchain-based network. Now, blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. Let's get into the meat and bones of this video. So, Bitcoin as a medium of exchange. Bitcoin is a form of currency, and currency is a medium of exchange. However, Bitcoin is a poor medium of exchange due to the high fees. I know the proponents of Bitcoin are going to freak out. They're going to say, this guy is a bad person trying to make the people stop to buy the Bitcoins. I'm not trying to make anyone stop buying Bitcoin, but the truth of the matter is that if the blockchain is congested, as what often happens in times of hype, then the fees that are charged by miners who take up these transactions will also be high. Bitcoin as a store of value. So Bitcoin has done considerably well as a store of value most of the time. There are people who disagree. Mark Cuban is known to have said, "I'd rather buy bananas than Bitcoin." Well, bananas though don't have a very long shelf life, so they serve badly as a store of value. Is Bitcoin a good investment? So this question is wrongly phrased. It should say, is Bitcoin an investment or a speculation? Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing, says, an investment operation is one which, upon thorough analysis, promises safety of principal and a satisfactory return. Operations not meeting these requirements are speculative. So speculation in stocks involves putting money in operations with hopes of future and not demonstrated performance. So in crypto, speculation will involve buying an underlying currency hoping it will go up and profiting from the difference in the buy and sell price. There's one great assumption though, that the price will continue to go up as it has done until now. So this assumption ignores certain factors which I will talk about in a little while if you stick around. At this point, Bitcoin is more fitting to be chucked into the speculative folder, but you may be asking this question like me. After much research, I found that the value of Bitcoin is not based on proper economic fundamentals, but mainly its demand and supply. Meaning, when it goes up, it's nothing other than people are just buying it. There are a fixed number of Bitcoin in the Bitcoin universe, apparently 21 million. So because of this reason, many people say the price will skyrocket. Again, these people are assuming that demand will keep rising, which it may not. Right, Ripple XRP lawsuit. So the SEC published this statement on the 22nd of December 2020. It says the Securities and Exchange Commission announced today that it has filed an action against Ripple Labs Incorporated, and two of its executives are also significant security holders, alleging that they raised over 1.3 billion through an unregistered ongoing digital asset securities offering. Now, the CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, disagrees with this. SEC definition of securities. SEC says securities must have a certain integrity when it comes to providing investors with information that allows them to decide if the security is a good investment, and the CEOs were not providing this. The best interest of Washington to manage crypto, since it threatens the dollar, which, as you know, gives them power to control money supply. Seigniorage, I don't know if I have right, which is the profit that they make when they print money, among other things. The Biden administration, unlike the Trump, does not favor crypto, and all these factors may collaborate to weigh heavily on crypto. Bitcoin is not sacrosanct and may indeed come under the same scrutiny. Also, the Bitcoin transaction fees, if Bitcoin ever is classified as a security, may go up even higher. So will Bitcoin keep going up? Analysis of the Bitcoin graph will show that Bitcoin peaked in December 2017 at around 19k, then nosedived to about 3k. The next time it went back to the previous high was in December 2020. So if you bought at the peak of the bubble, you would have waited 3 years to break even. So Bitcoin has rallied now far from the 200-day moving average, and in the past it has gone down to touch this line, and if this happens, it may drop to around the 10k region. From a value perspective, Bitcoin is a joke. Hold it for intelligent speculation purposes. People say Bitcoin is the digital gold, and personally I do trade gold and make quite a lot of money trading it. I do not, however, invest in gold, so there's a big difference. Gold is a non-yielding metal. That means you just buy with the hopes that the price of the metal goes up, falls headlong into the speculation cauldron. So having said that, I'd say Bitcoin is a speculative investment, not a very good store of value. It's also not a very good medium of exchange, considering the fees. If you want to make money from Bitcoin, I would advise that you trade it, which means the ups and downs, all the things that go into trading. And in my next video, I'll probably share with you how you can trade anything from gold to Bitcoin to foreign currency. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and smash that like button for me. It will go a long way to make this video seen and help me also keep producing the content. Ciao.